Hello everyone, this is FenceTech window machinery. Today we want to introduce our double layer 4-corner vertical welding machine. This machine has some special designing for American type profile. Yes, let us see the profile of this series American type. This is 4 pieces. This is 4 pieces. But this is different 3 types. Different 3 types profile. In order to weld this series American profile, we do some special designing for the welding block. That means this set welding block suitable for 3 different types profile only for this series window. For this machine, the first special designing is for welding block. The second special designing is we add one more time the clamp before do the welding work. Why we design that? As we know, for the Europe profile, if we weld Europe profile on this machine, only before do the welding, only press foot pedal in one time, because the Europe American, the section drilling is simple and can hold very well. But for the American type profile, firstly, profile is very light. On the other hand, sometimes the section drilling is more complicated. Sometimes cannot hold very well. Based on this, we design the second foot pedal press. When you put profile on the welding machine, firstly press the foot pedal, then the profile will be holder very well. Then when you finish all the profiles loading on the welding machine, press foot pedal secondly. Then the welding machine can be the welding condition. Now let us ask our engineer to demo this machine, this function. This machine is double layer, can weld 2 frames in one time. That, yes, you can see engineer load profile double layer. First time press the foot pedal, then load the 2 sides profile. Because just now the engineer press the foot pedal firstly, then you can see this profile can be hold. Now we can do the second time, press the foot pedal, then 4 corner will be welding condition. This is the welding result, because you can see this is the double layer of the profile. It's special. This side is different with another side. This is edge.